Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan pizza at home. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. Creating your own vegan pizza dough is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You'll only need 5 basic ingredients like flour, water, yeast, a touch of sugar, and salt. Allowing it to rise for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours ensures a light and airy crust, making all the difference in your final pizza. Next up, let's explore the exciting world of vegan toppings. A quick homemade tomato sauce, perhaps simmered for 15 minutes with garlic and herbs, provides a fresh base. For that cheesy goodness, there are many fantastic plant-based cheeses available, from mozzarella-style shreds to creamy cashew-based options. Don't forget your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions, or even plant-based pepperoni for a hearty touch. The possibilities are truly endless. Now for the fun part, assembling your masterpiece. Gently stretch your risen dough on a lightly floured surface to your preferred thickness, aiming for about a 12-inch circle. Spread your delicious homemade sauce evenly, leaving a generous 1-inch border for the crust. Then, pile on your chosen vegan cheese and all those wonderful toppings. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at around 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, until golden and bubbly. Once your pizza emerges from the oven, resist the urge to dive in immediately. Let it cool for about 5 minutes on a wire rack. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Then, slice it into 8 generous pieces. A sprinkle of fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil can elevate the flavors even further. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of enjoying a delicious, homemade vegan pizza, knowing you made it yourself. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.